What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here today. Hope y'all are having a good day and are doing well. Today's video is going to be kind of a shorter one. Not really too much detail to go over, besides the fact of we ordered a new car and we're going to go ahead and dive into it. I'm trying to find an important piece of paper that I need to find, and then I can get into it. I have to go to the Ford dealership right now to pick up a part for my car, so that makes this video even more perfect. Alright, I got the important sheet. So now we're going to head out. We're going to go... What the hell? Someone's got their fucking GoPro going. But we're going to go to the Ford dealership. We got to pick up a slave cylinder for my car so I can get my clutch replaced again. But we're going to go ahead and knock that out. Oh my god, I caught the pillow. Let's go. Mittens, stop. Get. Oh my god. Jesus. Hey, Mittens. What's up? How was that? Alright, so back outside. Ooh, it's kind of chilly out here. Back to the paperwork. So we ordered a new car. Obviously, y'all probably have ideas. You probably already know what it is. But it is a 2024 Mustang. Not a dark horse. Just a regular GT performance package, premium 401A with the black accent package on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the build sheet with you and to kind of explain it just a little bit and show y'all what the kind of the options and stuff are for it. There's not really a whole lot. I mean, there is a whole lot, but nothing too crazy. But we didn't go with the dark horse because number one, they didn't have it in the color that we wanted, and number two, the money for what we're gonna do with the car, the extra 15-20 grand wasn't really worth it, because we're not gonna be drifting it around and racing it on the track like we know Jake's going to. Jake got the Tremec. This car's got an MT82 in it still. We didn't go with the 10-speed. We still went with the manual because can't let the manuals die. Manual's so much better. I personally don't like 10 speeds. I know they're faster, but I'm not buying it. We're not buying the car to be fast. We're buying it to have fun with the car and have something new to film with. Like, we can make lots of content on the car. We can do this, and this with it until we run out of ideas. But there's always gonna be ideas. Since Jake's getting the dark horse, we're gonna have the regular one. We're gonna film videos comparing the two, messing around with the two. But I'm not gonna be tracking it like I do with this car. Having that car will also make it a better opportunity to track this car, because now I can do more with this car. So going over the sheet real quick, it is a yellow splash metallic GT performance coupe with the black interior, because we couldn't really you can't put colored interior on the yellow or any of the bright colored cars besides maybe red on the blues. But it's got the 401A package, so it'll have the big screens going across the dash right here. I personally love that. That was one of my selling points on the car. That and the front end looks so good in my opinion. The interior looks amazing. Besides, like, down here on the new one's a little weird, but you'll get used to that. And the back of the car, the taillights are a little oddly proportioned, but other than that, they look really good. The back end's nice. I just think the trunk bubbles out a little bit too much, and the painted deck lid is going to be different. I could see people wrapping that in the future, but we'll see how that works out. But so, it's 401A package. It comes with Bang & Olufsen. It's got Ford Copilot Assist 360. It's got security package. We got performance package, so we'll have the nice wheels, all the upgraded suspension parts, so you can actually mess around with it. It's gonna have the 6-speed MT82 in it. I wish Ford would stop being cheap and put the Tremec in all cars like Chevy does with the Camaro. Chevy has the Tremec in every single manual Camaro, no matter ZL1, SS, 2SS, 1SS. The V6 gets the Tremec. They all have the Tremec transmission and a manual. So I wish Ford would stop putting the MT82 in the cars and actually put a Tremec in the regular GTs. Doesn't make sense to me. But then, moving on down the list, we got the Brembo brakes. We got red calipers with the white logos. It's gonna have 373s in the back again, like my car does now. It'll have the performance rear spoiler, which looks really, really good on the new car. It'll have the Night Pony package, which is the black accent package now. So it'll have the black painted roof the black painted mirrors, the front and the emblems are all black, and it even tints out the headlights for you. The headlights will have a slight tint to them, so you don't have to tint them yourself. They'll have like a blackout housing, whatever. I think it'll look really cool, and I can't wait to see that in person. Plus, I've seen the photos of a red one painted like that, and it looks really good. So I can't wait to see it on the yellow. And then so it'll have the performance package wheels painted black with the black accent package. Then we got the active exhaust, so you'll be able to have 486 horsepower to the crank. So roughly, I have a feeling the car to the wheels will make just slightly under what my car makes now, which you can easily make back with slight changes. And that's pretty much all the options on the car. It's almost a fully loaded car minus Recaros. Didn't get Recaros because these stock seats are nice. I mean, you can't complain with the stock seats. And then no Recaros, no Magna Ride, because we don't really need Magna Ride, because we're going to lower it anyway. So why would you get Magna Ride to lower when you can't really make... There's not that many people that make Magna Ride lowering kits besides coilovers and stuff, but then coilovers just take out the Magna Ride anyway, so there's no point. But other than that, it's a cool car. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about the build. Let me know if y'all have ordered any of y'all selves, because I'm sure, I know my dealership's gotten hundreds of orders already, so I'm sure a lot of y'all have either ordered them, looked into them. I know dark horses have higher priority, so they're being built already, but this car was ordered on the day that the orders opened up, so hopefully by July, August, the car will be here, or at least been built, because the goal is to have the car by Mustang Week. And I don't know if I want to drive that to Mustang Week or take this. I kind of want to drive that to Mustang Week because Dad said that I can take that if I want. Dad wants to take the ST to Mustang Week, so I'll probably take the new car if that shows up. Then I don't have to blow anybody's eardrums out with this car all day long. But we'll see how that happens. But I'm excited for the car. I really like the styling of the S650. Everybody keeps telling me, why are you buying a car that's just like yours? Why are you buying a car that's just like yours? And honestly, I don't care about being fast. I really don't. I like the way the car looks, and I think the interior, exterior, everything is cool about the car. So I really don't care about being the fastest person in the world. I just want to have fun with the car, and the filming aspect of this car is going to be great. I can bring lots of cool videos, good videos to y'all. Me and Jake got plenty of plans in the works. I've talked to Staying Mode. Me, Staying Mode, and Jake have talked. We want to do some videos together when all the 3 cars show up. I know Staying Mode, me, and Jake want to film some cool comparison videos, cool little videos of all 3 cars. So hopefully that'll happen, and everybody else will be along the way. Like it's a new platform to mess around with. Everybody keeps saying that, oh, it's the same car. No, suspension completely different. Engine completely different. But also for that reason is why we're keeping the car under warranty, because it's a first-year car. If it has any issues with the motor, who knows what will happen. So got to keep it under warranty so those problems can go run their course. Next week, I'm going to post this video probably on Monday or Tuesday. And next week, you will see me in Florida with Jake and Derek filming, reviewing the 2024 Mustang. So I'll get early access preview of the car, and we'll be doing some stuff at Barrett-Jackson in Palm Beach, Florida. So that'll be fun. I can't wait for that to happen. I'm so excited to see that happen. So that'll be an adventure. Me and Jake and Derek just got our hotel. We got all of our travel stuff booked, so we're ready to go. We leave on Wednesday the 12th. We come back Friday the 14th. I'm going straight to North Carolina. I'll be at the Modify Mustang meet on Saturday the 15th. So make sure y'all come on out for that and enjoy that. But all right, let's go to Ford. Let's get this part for this clutch, and then we'll come home, and then we're going to confront Dad because he says the car's staying stock forever. But knowing him and what he did to this thing, we all know that's not the case. But all right, let's start this baby up. Damn. And let's go ahead and head over to Ford. All right, I'm over here at the dealership now. About to go into parts and get the part for the clutch. But let's go over here and see what Mustangs they got. I don't know what the hell that is, but that's hideous. Ew. We got a California Special right here. We got another 5.0. We got a Mach 1 with the handling package on it. Okay. And Fighter Jet Gray with the appearance package. And they got 2 more 5.0s. But this Mach 1's kind of tough. 70 grand. Mach 1 handling package. Got the elite package, fully loaded. It's missing the little fender extensions right there though. Oh well, let's go get my part. They be taxing on these prices, man. It was $290 for a slave cylinder. I got them down to $230. But on LMR.com, it's $170. So they still be jipping you on the in-house pricing. But whatever, a new slave cylinder, we'll get this all straight, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Yo, we found Kevin.
What's up, what's up?
I've been telling him about the new Mustang, the build.
Oh yeah?
What do you think about it?
I think it's gonna be crazy, and I think you should give it to me.
Give it to you?
Yep, just give it to me.
You hear that, Dad? He said he wants it.
Mine.
But it's gonna look pretty similar to this car.
Yeah?
But it'd be a cool little double
Still
photo.
manual?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It'll be a cool little double photo shoot.
Yes, I got the camera with me.
I know. Put the cars together, do a little double yellow photo shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Dad. It's gonna be Minion 2.0.
That's right.
But all right, we made it back from Ford, and we stopped by BMW to go see Laz Daney and everybody for a little bit. Let's go see if we can find Dad. Hey. What's up? So talking about this thing right here.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That will be pretty.
I told you it'll be pretty.
I told you.
Where the hell did you get that picture from?
What happens when I sit on my ass all day?
Yeah. But how long you keeping it stock? I say a couple weeks.
I'm going to keep it stock for as long as possible. There's nothing that the way I ordered it, the way we ordered it, whatever, it doesn't need anything. I'm going to tint it. Tint will be on it probably the first day.
Yeah.
Wheels, I like those wheels.
That's what I said. I
might change the lug nuts.
Oh yeah, put black lug nuts on it. I like the wheels. I just wish they were wider.
Well, like I said, tires can be changed.
Yeah.
So, you know.
It comes with Pirelli, so they'll be junk anyways. Motor-wise, I say it stays stock for a while.
Well, I mean, because they're not going to have any add-ons to it right now. So, I mean, if they have an oil separator, I'll get that. You don't even have that on your car.
I need one.
So,
I've been needed one.
Yeah, so, you know, little things, but I'm not in a hurry to do anything. Go watch my video and you'll see why. Because that's what I'm reviewing now. So
I'll put a link to that in the video in the description if you want to go check out. But
so
everyone's got money on you doing something to it.
What? Tell me how much I can win, and I'll wait that long.
I don't know. I don't have a dollar amount.
Okay. So, like I said,
but everyone says that you're gonna mess. Knowing you, they know you're gonna mess with it somehow, some point.
Dude, I got a 750 horsepower GT. I have probably a 500 horsepower Explorer. Okay.
It's already faster than all of us.
You know, it runs 11s. This, I don't even know what the horsepower. I want to throw it on the dyno.
I want to throw it on the dyno stock and see what it is.
Yeah, because it says it's 486.
Since we got the active exhaust, it's supposed to be 486 crank. So I probably like 430 wheel. I'm not gonna mess.
What did you send me the other day?
I sent you the RTR spec.
Right.
That's not bad.
Yeah, so you want me to put like an RTN front end on it? And
look, the RTR front, it was a front splitter. It looked fine.
Oh, I like that. Looks fine.
I love the way it looks.
It looks like that. It's fine. I don't know if this is a rendering or.
Well, that's what it's gonna look like. The color might be slightly different. That's like an orangey, flaky metallic.
Well, that's how the picture. I mean, it's computer too, you know. So like I said, it's a rendering. As long as the front end's like that, it'll be good.
It'll have the black pony, the blacked out part. Since we got, it'll have the wheels and the roof, the spoiler, and the mirrors in black. All right, y'all. That's gonna end the video. So yes, car is on the way. It's ordered. Don't know have an exact delivery / build date. Hopefully built in May or June. Here by August, July. As long as it's here before Mustang Week, I'll be happy because I want to take that car to Mustang Week. But I'll keep you updated. Check out the Instagram. Now that once this video goes out, I can now post stuff about the car. But hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. Keep you all in the loop, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Have a good one. See y'all after Florida.